Police are making the arrests, but prosecutors are having trouble keeping up in court. A shortage of state-funded prosecutors has Brown County looking to use your tax dollars to try and clear more cases. The sides are split on who should be paying the bill. A court trial is a rarity in Brown County when you take into account the number of criminal cases that are referred to the district attorney's office.
And has the jury reached verdicts?
A majority of the 5,600 criminal cases this year will be settled out of court. Getting to every case is a struggle.
We're doing our best to keep our head above water on a regular basis, but we are substantially understaffed, and it does affect the performance of the office.
With the shortage of prosecutors in the DA's office, that means some cases are not being addressed in a timely manner. Charges are sometimes put off for months, with some of those suspects still out on the streets. How long are we pushing some of these cases off?
It really depends on the nature of the case. Obviously we are getting to the more significant cases in a timely manner, and it depends on the way in which the case is referred to our office. But we do have cases in this office that are 6 months, 9 months, a year old.
Brown County has 14 prosecutors on staff, including District Attorney David Lassay. But the State Department of Administration, evaluating the needs of the DA's office, found a need for 12 additional prosecutors.
The state's supposed to provide us with these prosecutors, and they're just dropping the ball. And Mark, I can't tell you why.
So with state funding nowhere to be had, County Supervisor Thomas Duane appealed to the Public Safety Committee to approve $150,000 in one-time funding.
$150,000 would be enough for 2 prosecutors, 2 full-time prosecutors, but that's it.
They would address the 200 to 300 drug cases that have piled up, cases that account for some 1,000 charges. But why should the county pay for what the state is supposed to pay for?
The problem with that is if you do nothing, then what are the citizens of Brown County going to do in response to you not doing nothing? So it's a catch-22 deal, but it should be brought to light.
In fact, for the past 4 years, Brown County taxpayers have already been paying for 1 drug prosecutor on staff to help supplement the local need when the state did nothing to help.
We feel that the state, it's their responsibility, and we encourage our local representatives to go and get this fixed.
State legislators last year approved raises for assistant district attorneys to help keep them from leaving for better paying jobs, but no money for additional prosecutors. Next week, the Brown County Board will debate the one-time payment to the DA's office to get some temporary help. We'll keep you posted.